Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring network and power stability. This prevents interrupted updates that corrupt apps. Once connected, make sure you have enough storage and are signed into the correct App Store account. Next, open the store and locate the app page rather than relying on a notification. This direct approach shows the current update status and any specific prompts. Make sure to note any error text shown on the app page before you proceed to more detailed fixes. Once done with the basics, force quit the target app and try the update again to clear transient locks. If that fails, clear the App Store cache or update the store app itself, because outdated store components can block updates. Also check for pending operating system updates. Some apps require newer OS features. If you use a VPN or strict firewall, make sure to disable it briefly because it can interrupt certificate checks and downloads. These steps fix the majority of mid-process failures. To finish, uninstall and reinstall the app when updates continually fail. This replaces corrupted files and forces a fresh download. After reinstalling, restore your data from a cloud backup or local export so you don't lose settings. Then open the app to verify functionality and check for additional updates. If problems persist, sign out of the App Store, restart your device, sign back in, and try again. This common troubleshooting trick refreshes credentials and often clears persistent update errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.